Are you guys wondering where the Bitcoin price is heading after this big dump that we experienced this week? Where do we go from here? In this video, I'm going to show you multiple Elliott wave scenarios so you have all your bases covered. You are not surprised at all. And I'm going to go over my favorite scenario. You're going to want to stick around to the end of this video. You need to know why this is my favorite scenario. I will explain it to you. We're going to just jam through these charts super quick. If you're new to Elliott Wave, stick around. You will learn something. If you've been on this channel, you already know what I'm about. Take a second, like the video. If you've gotten anything out of my videos, show some love, smash the like button, and also leave a comment down below. What altcoins are you guys in? I need to know what altcoins currently tickle your fancy. Please let me know. I'm altcoin hunting. I want some good alts. What do you guys got? Let's get into this video. Wasting no time. I have options laid out on each scenario. If you make it all the way to the end of this video, you will leave another comment what option you like the best. What option you like the best, or if you don't like any of these, what you're thinking. Leave a comment down below if you make it to the end of the video. Option 1. After we experience this big dump, option 1 is saying that we are in the middle of a flat correction where we have a correction down, a correction up, impulse down. And in this scenario, we have completed our first leg of our correction to the upside in our B wave. Now, this is saying that we have a little bit more down to go. We're going to correct up, come down some more, put in a nice corrective wave to link in. So, maybe if we see some wave action like this and a push down, this might be a good scenario for us. Come up, take out the highs, and then impulse to the downside. In this scenario, I need to know. In this scenario, this is a corrective pattern. It's a correction. Once we finish this, we would be looking to impulse higher to the upside. We would not be coming down to lower targets. We would be holding up here and impulsing to the upside. This is option 1. It's a flat. We're in the middle of it. Option 2 is saying that our correction is in fact done. We are done with our correction and we are starting our ascent to the upside. Now, in this specific scenario, and there's another scenario that's similar to this that we're going to go over in a second. In this specific scenario, we have put in our one wave that is finished. The size of this one wave leads me to believe, if this is the scenario, after a correction, as you can see, the same correction here is the same correction here. It all looks the same. It has different approaches to it afterwards, different follow through, but that correction is the same in both of these scenarios. After this occurs, we will be getting an absolute jam to the upside. I'm talking past 100K easy. And that will be an extended fifth wave. When this target hits up here, we'll reevaluate. It may need to correct out into a bigger wave 4 and then up for one more hit and then down. Or it may just dump from this point. But we'll cross that bridge if we get to it. Next scenario, and guys, stick around because I will show you what my favorite scenario is and why it is my favorite scenario. You need to know this stuff, guys. Also, real quick, before we proceed, join the free Discord. It's linked in the description below, guys. Free Discord. Join up. I can't post videos every freaking day. Join the Discord to stay up to date with what I'm doing, and more specifically, join the premium Discord. I post daily alerts. I'm alerting daily, keeping everyone updated on what my trading plans are, what's going on, and you have access to 24/7 live crypto charts. Keep them updated 24/7 with my Elliott Wave counts. You get a Elliott Wave course and a free indicator, which is this indicator, my momentum oscillator, all included in premium. And right now, if you want to give it a try, it's $25 off your first month. Just to give it a try, guys, with code 25 off, head into the Discord, click upgrade here, click the link, head over to my WAP site, join the premium, get your ass in there. What you waiting for? My dog is going crazy right now. I am so sorry, but we're muscling through this video. Option 3, what do we have? Well, essentially, we have a finished ABC, just like we have in the previous finished ABC. And in this case, we are looking for a finished 5 waves to the upside that barely takes out the high. And this will finish our wave to the upside. And we are currently in a wave 4 that looks really impulsive. It looks scary, but it could be meant to look that way. And we are currently in a wave 4, going to impulse up to a wave 5, have some sort of an extended 5th wave just on this overall structure. And if that is the case, if that is the case, we cannot hit this level at 58K. That would interject and intersect our 1 wave. As you know, Elliott wave rules, wave 4 cannot come into wave 1. So for this to be the valid count, very easy stop loss right here at 58K. We're looking for a sharp ABC correction for a wave 4. And then we're looking to impulse up out of here. The timing of this to our wave 2 looks good. I would not want this to correct down like this. It would just be too elongated before coming up, and in accordance to our wave 2. So that's why I have it being just a sharp ABC correction into wave 4. Option number 4. This option is stating that we are in the middle of a large correction. And stick with me, guys, because I need to show you why the count is my favorite count. Why it is my favorite count. I'm going to give you many reasons for that. So stick around if you want to see that. In this count right here, we are extending out our correction in the WXY pattern, where we are just correcting all over the place. It's going to be a double correction. I don't know about this one. These, like this, they look more impulsive to me. There's many reasons why I just don't, I'm not a fan of this count, but it's a valid count in which we would come, sweep the lows out around 50K, and then we would be going up to our 100K targets yet again, 100K. So instead of hitting right here, we would be coming down, taking out the lows in WXY fashion, and then hitting. All right, option 5. Now this one is scary, guys, but it's very real. You guys might think it's far-fetched. It is not. I will show you why it is not. Before we go into option 5, before we go over my favorite count, guys, everyone is trading on Blowfin now. If you are no KYC, if you don't like people knowing your info, if you want to know what KYC exchange, Blowfin is the exchange. I'm telling you, it's what I use. They are super smooth, super great liquidity. You could trade so many coins. If you click the link down below in the description and pinned in the first comment, you get 15% back on your deposits. 15% cash back, up to $7,500 you could do that for. So $7,500 cash back. Get a free 15% gain on your account, guys. Come on. And then you also get entered with the link to trade up to win a Rolex watch. There's also all these other prizes, Nintendo Switch, iPhone, yada yada yada. If you're thinking about switching exchanges, if you want a no KYC exchange, if you're new to trading, you want to start trading, Blowfin is the exchange for you. Check them out, linked in the description below. Let's get back into this. Last option, option 5. As you can see, this is a scary count, but it's a very real freaking count, guys. It's a very real count. It's saying that the high is in, all-time high is in. We have just put in a 1-2 into a 1-2, 1-2, a nest of 1-2s of this big move down. This last 1-2, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's an impulse. Then we have 1, 2. The whole thing here is 3, 4, 5. And then we have 1, 2. The whole thing there is 3, 4, 5. Getting us down to, you read that right, boys and girls, 4K. 4K. Why is that okay? It's 4K. Because as we look at a longer chart with more price action, this level right here is extreme support, guys. Extreme support. If BTC impulses down, a bounce off this level is where you want to see it. You want to see everything retested. You want to see liquidity fully swept. You want to see blood in the markets. You want to see this hold this support. If this doesn't hold this support, I mean, Bitcoin's going to zero. But this is what you are looking for. A move like this, And then you get this, the real bull market. You get the real bull run right there. And you go as high as the eye can see after you sweep all this liquidity. That is where I'm at. That's the 5 counts. Now, what count do I like the best out of all of these scenarios? And guys, before I say that, leave a comment down below. What option is your favorite? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. What option is your favorite? Mine just so happens to be option number 3. Where we are in the middle of a sharp wave 4. We're taking out the highs. Why is this my favorite option? And then we come down. Because as we look on this chart right here, disregard everything I have drawn up and let's focus on RSI real quick. This is the 3-day chart, right? As you can see, RSI has reset nicely. We have come down. We have reset the 3-day RSI. Look how deep we are now. And look how high price is still staying. Guys, this correction, it just wibble wobbled while RSI came down and reset. You know what this says to me? RSI is ready to hit to the upside again. We're ready to hit. We are ready. Take out the high, put in some divergence, and then let's go. Do I think these lower counts are going to occur? Not really. I really think we're going to linger in this area. And for this count to be valid, or for any type of extreme downside move, what I need is a finished wave right here. I need this to finish up like this. Option 3, my favorite option. And we'll zoom out here. Need this to finish up. And what that would do, if this finishes up with a swift sweep of the all-time high, and it doesn't impulse up to our higher targets, it sticks around 78K, 76K, that would look beautiful for me. For a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finished 5 waves. And that would look more like an ABC than anything else. And with a completed structure like that, with an ABC structure like so, we have a correction down, correction up, and then we can impulse to the downside at least to our 25K level, right? Anything else, really, anything else, if we come down and this extends down, this correction, and then we go higher, this is going to be too long in time. I'm going to say it's a wave 4 to this wave 2, and we're looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, maybe get a correction like so, and then continuation. All right, it's going to change things for me. But as of right now, the count I am looking for is a correction down, correction up, long term, and then impulse down. And for this to be the count, I would need a swift sweep of the highs right here. I need this correction to be finished because that looks more in accordance to a wave 4 here. It's too short in time for me. It's less in time than this correction. So I don't like for it to be a wave 4 of a wave 2 here. I like for it to be a wave 4 of a wave 2 here, which would imply the ABC correction to the upside, impulse to the downside. Are you with me? Are you with me? If you watch this video all the way through, smash that like button, leave a comment what option you like the best. Let's go smaller time frames, and let's just see what's looking good to us here. My dog is going crazy. I got to take her outside. I did throw in the smaller time frame count right here for you. Looking at a sharp ABC correction, as we stated, where I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave to finish up. I'm looking for through this weekend to correct out, kind of flag out into a wave 4 fashion into Monday, which we'll begin our final descent here, something like this. Where's Monday? Where's Monday? That's Sunday, Monday. Maybe come down Sunday night into Monday morning. This can extend out a little more, something like so. Hit our targets. Do not come into our zone that we cannot come into. Something like that. This could just go like that. All right. For this count to be valid, I don't want this wave 4 to come into wave 1 here at 63K. Looking for a quick sweep into Monday, maybe get a nice bounce, and then next week, let's get bullish, baby. Let's get bullish. Join the Discord, free link in the description below. Join Premium. I would love to see you all in there. Sign up for Blowfin. All you need is a freaking email. Don't be lazy. Click the link for 15% back in your deposits and all these beautiful trading bonuses. Thank you for watching the video, everyone. I love you all. See you in the next one. Bye.